Hello everyone! Sa video na to, magsasolve tayo ng logarithmic equation. So before that, i-recall muna natin, halimbawa, 3 square. 3 square is equal to 9. Di ba po ba? Kasi 3 times 3 equals 9. Sa logarithm, kapag meron kang 3 square, which is equal to 9, in logarithm, ganito siya. Logarithm of 9 to the base 3 equals 2. Kumbaga, yung base mo dyan sa exponential, andito siya. Yung sagot mo ditong 9, andito. And yung exponent dyan, andito. Okay? Halimbawa naman, 2 cube is equal to 8. Diba po ba? Kasi 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Ngayon, sa logarithm, ganito siya. Logarithm of 8 to the base 2 equals 3. Ito yung base. Ito yung answer dyan, and yung exponent dito. Okay? Halimbawa, logarithm of 100 to the base 10. The answer here is 2 because 10, the base here is 10, and the exponent is the answer to the logarithm. So 10 squared equals 100 because 10 times 10 is 100. Okay? Now, magsasolve na tayo ng logarithm. Halimbawa, solve the logarithm x plus 1 minus 1 to the base 4 equals 0. Okay? So, mapapansin natin sa equation na to, sa logarithmic equation na to, na meron ditong negative 1. So, mas maigi, ita-transpose natin yan, ililipat natin sa right side ng equation. Para yung left side ng equation natin ay logarithmic na lang. Okay? So, this is equal to positive 1. And i-recall na po natin, di ba kanina meron tayong 3 square equals to 9. So, in logarithm, that is logarithm of 9 to the base 3 equals to 2, right? So, same. So, itong idea na to, i-apply na natin dito sa logarithmic equation. So, ang base po natin dyan ay 4. So, yung sagot sa logarithm ay 1. So, ibig sabihin yan po ay yung exponent. Kasi di ba po, yung 2 dito, exponent siya dito. Kaya, 4 raised to 1 equals what? So, ang sagot dito ay 9. So, andito yung 9 sa logarithm. Ibig sabihin, 4 raised to 1 equals to this expression, x plus 1. Alam naman po natin na yung 4 raised to 1 is 4, and this is equal to x plus 1. Solve na natin si x. X equals 4 minus 1 kasi yung positive 1 dito, ililipat natin sa left side, kaya magiging negative. So, that becomes 4 minus 1. And this will give you 3. X is equal to 3. Now, let us check kung tama ang ating solution. Substitute natin, logarithm of x plus 1, di ba, that is 4. Kasi 3 plus 1 is 4. So, 4 here equals to 1. Ngayon, base is 4, exponent is 1, 4 raised to 1 is it 4? Yes. So, our answer is correct. Okay, now, try nyo naman ito. Solve this logarithmic equation. Logarithm to the base 4, x plus 3 minus 1 equals 0. Okay? Paki-comment na lang po ang inyong sagot. Thank you so much for watching.